Hi everyone, it's Carrie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you all. I am going to be unbagging the latest Scrapping for Less card kit. This is the September card kit. And actually this is the month for August, and it's called For the Love of Pets. This kit, you guys, is so super cute, and it's actually, you can actually get a checklist of all the things that you get. This is actually the double dip sundae and the banana split that I've got. You have 4 different collections, and then if you get the double dip sundae, you get the 4 different collections. If you go ahead and purchase the banana split, which is all 4 collections, then you also get the what they call the banana split that has 1 extra pack of extra goodies in it. So we will go through the unbagging here, and it comes in this adorable paw print packaging. It's so cute. If you are a dog lover or a cat lover like myself, y'all are going to love this kit. So let's go ahead and take everything out of the bag and go through the contents together. So we've got the 4 collections. I'm going to go through the double dip sundae portion first, and then I will show you the last part, which is going to be included in the double dip sundae. Or excuse me, the banana split. I said that wrong. Okay, so your cardstock will actually come in between 2 pieces of this cardboard here, which is very nice to have. And all the cardstock is from MFT. So you get 2 pieces of white. The white is actually the Nina 110 pound cardstock. So you get 2 pieces of the white. You get a black licorice, a craft, wild cherry, banana split, snow cone, and cotton candy. So you have all of those cardstocks there. Very nice quality cardstock. So let's go ahead and do collection 1, and we'll go through those contents. So here is collection 1. It all comes in these sealed packages like this, which is super nice. It keeps all the contents together. So you have a pack of sequins. It's really nice. You always get packs of sequins in these collections. Here is a stamp set from Newton's Nook. This is exclusively for the kit. This is called Puppy Pals. Of course, you got these cute little puppies holding a stick. That's so cute. Then you got sentiments, thanks for sticking by me, and let's stick together, and friends forever, and a little heart here. Adorable. Then you get some like little ephemera or cards here. And it's double-sided, so if you do, like, I don't know, Project Life or something like that, that's what these would be good for. But you can also use these on cards. You know, maybe instead of actually die cutting some cardstock or whatever, you can use this part of it as your focal point. So definitely could be use those. So, and all the ones that you get will look different. They won't be exactly like the ones that I have here. The same with this piece here. You could definitely use that as a part of your focal point on a card if you don't do Project Life or scrapbooking or anything like that. Then the papers are from Echo Park. It's called Dog Tales. So you got all these cute dogs on here. And I love the patterns because they are very much natural, gender, or more masculine colors, which is very nice. Pamper your pet, and the little dog is doing yoga, puppy yoga. So cute. Great papers. Love these, love these. Like that, that's very nice. So love the papers. Of course, you always get a white envelope as well. So that is collection 1. Okay, collection 2. Okay, collection 2, you get, of course, the sequins. Those are really pretty if you kind of put them in the light there. Your stamp set is another exclusive from Sunny Studio, if I can talk. Then you've got these cute little puppy dogs here. Then you've got birthday, get well wishes, and puppy dog kisses. So cute. Then you get these little bone-shaped paper clips, which are super cute. You don't necessarily have to use these on your card. You can use like these in your, if you've got a journal, or if you do journaling or anything like that, those would be cute to use if you're a dog lover. Then the papers for this one is the Rainbow Dots and Stripes by Sunny Studio. So you get some stripes and some dots in those colors. These are double-sided. So those are really nice colors. Of course, got the white envelope. And then this stencil here, this is the Puppy Dog Bone Stencil. This is from Scrapping for Less. So cute. Really great starting point to create your background or whatever for your card. Lovely. Love that a lot. Okay, so let's go on to collection number 3. Okay, collection number 3. Zoom here just a little bit. The stamp set is from Scrapping for Less, and you've got these adorable little kitty cats. The sentiments are a little small, so I'll go ahead and read them for you. It says, this one says, "Let's be friends forever. Hey pretty kitty. Thank Mew. Happy birthday, love the cat. I positively love you. Let's play." And then you have a little fish bones here, a little bowl, and of course the 3 little kitty cats there. Adorable. I'm kind of fond of this one, if you don't know why. Of course you get the sequins. Really lovely colors there. Goes really great with the papers. You get some ephemera here. This is from the Kitten Smitten collection by Doodlebug. I like that one. Got a little fish and a bowl and another little kitty cat. So I'm personally probably going to use these as, I'm going to actually try to make a scrapbook page. I don't know if I'm going to do that on a video or not, but since I have my new kitten Gracie, I plan on making, I've actually made a scrapbook page several years ago with my 2 cats, Katie and Daisy, whenever we still had Katie. So I actually need to update a new page and add Gracie to it. So this would be perfect for me to do that page with. So that will get some use probably by me. So you got the ephemera there. You got some little bit of twine. Of course you got your white envelope. And then of course the papers. Like again, it's called Kitten Smitten. And I actually do already own these papers. This is a really great little collection. You've got the little small prints there. I don't know if you can tell. Little fish. And these wonderful, you can cut these up here obviously and use them on your cards or your scrapbook pages or whatever. Awesome papers. I absolutely love this collection. It's a really adorable collection. So that will probably get a lot of use for me. So that was collection number 3. Collection number 4. The stamp set is another one that I'm just really in love with. This is actually the first one of these that I have because I don't really own these stamps, but this is actually a rubber stamp. This one, it's actually some of these, this is actually one of those gorgeous stamps, if y'all are not familiar. And this one is called Perfect Love. This is number 10. And I will go ahead and grab the stamp here. But yes, it's and I think it's like a little card in it. Oh, so cute. Yeah, I don't know if, I think it's just a little collectible card that you can have or use, which I love. Of course, here's the stamp. And like it's a cling mount. So you just peel off this plastic here and then put this on your acrylic block and just stamp it down. But that gives you, I love how they're in color like this because it gives you some ideas on how to color in your image. Oh, so cute. Of course, this looks like my Gracie, so obviously I'm very fond of it. So that is the stamp. And the Dots and Stripes papers from Echo Park. So you get some greens, pinks, yellows, and oranges in there. So you get, those are the papers. And these are double-sided as well. Obviously the sequins again. Another stencil. This is the cat paw print stencil. Another one from Scrapping for Less. So you get the dog bones and then you get the little paw prints, which is adorable. So cute. Love it, love it, love it. And then of course again the envelope. So, and then you also get some stickers here too to use with any of these projects if you wanted to. So lovely stickers you can use on any of your projects. Some of these dogs are so cute with their tongues hanging out. So cute. Of course I like this one. Looks like my Gracie. Alright, so that was the Double Dip Sunday pack, all 4 of the collections. So if you choose to go ahead and purchase the full card kit with the banana split, then this is the extra pack here. Okay, so in this one you get a black glaze pen, which these are awesome. I actually own one of these. You can never have too many of these glaze pens. These are perfect for just adding details to your images, like making the eyes a little bit darker or whatever. So, and of course it gives off a glaze effect, and it actually gives it just the tiniest bit of dimension. So this is a really great pen to have. You get this stamp set here from Scrapping for Less. This is called For the Love of Pets, obviously, because that's what the collection is called. You've got the sentiments, you're fantastic, you're perfect, I really dig you, happy birthday, hello, I wanted to reach out and say hello, woof woof, no bones about it, you're the best, have a doggone great birthday. And then you get, oh, meow, I love you on this side here. Then you get this little kitty playing in the fishbowl and a little dog having a bone in his little mouth there. So cute. So cute. Then you get this little die set, and it's got a ball of yarn here. This one says meow, woof, and then a little dog bone. So, so cute. And then you get these little pieces here. You can actually use twine on these if you wanted to, or you could just cut off the little loops off the back and just put some maybe like glue dots or whatever and apply them to your cards. So you got a little dog bone, a dog with bowl of food there, a little fish of bones there, a little mouse, and then the fire hydrant. Oh, so cute. You guys, this collection, this whole entire kit is so, so cute. I'm having a feeling that it's going to sell out.